Today, we are going to show you how to use the Mega Nerf Gun. So first, if you get a jam, you open this top window. And then you take the bullet out. So you'd use the clip. You take the clip out. You'd put the bullets in the way that it says. It has an arrow and the way for you to put the bullets. You can only hold 4 bullets, otherwise it will jam. You can only hold 4, otherwise it will jam. So you'd put in the 4. Then you'd move the thing the opposite way it was, and it's supposed to look like this when you put it in. Now it is loaded. And then all you gotta do is push this thing fully back and fully up. And then it'll be ready to shoot. And then you just shoot it.